walang nasiba na, sayaw lang. I'm so excited. Actually, parang kinikilig ako. I've been with GMA actually for more than 10 years. And I took a break, of course, to focus on my business and family. And so I missed acting and dancing and hosting, and that's why I'm here. So I'm so thankful for this opportunity. So, of course, I'd love to get more active on the Zumba aspect because that's kulang here sa GMA. And of course, my hosting and dancing and acting. Hopefully, ano na ako ulit sa say, TikTok Club, or maybe mga soap, or mga noontime show, mga variety show. Unang Hirit, of course, is my baby. That's my show before for many, many years. Super na-miss ko yan. And hopefully kung may opportunity, of course, pagkaya. For Christmas, magkakain kami, maglilinis, family bonding. And actually may show ako sa Okada, New Year Countdown. So yun ang paghandaan ko. Sasayaw talaga ako this whole, walang nasiba na, sayaw lang.